Just acquired this lovely Mercedes A-Class diesel automatic with high specification. It has at the front grille, black wrapped. Lovely time cut alloy wheels. Front bar distance control. It has at the chrome round here, wrapped black as well. It's got the rear privacy glass. It's got the full AMG body styling kit. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the lovely, unique AMG interior, half leather, half Alcantara with the red stitched piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Seats are in lovely condition. It's only done 44,000 miles. It's got satellite navigation. Let's just start the car up for you. It's got climate control. Reverse camera, Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack so you can pay for your phone and that. Also you're there, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.